Hello friends, I am Vignesh. Today I am going to explain the topic about support vector machine. The support vector machine introduction, simple example, types of support vector machine, Python implementation of support vector machine, advantages and disadvantages and applications of support vector machines. Introduction to support vector machine. Support vector machine is a powerful supervised learning algorithm that works based on smaller dataset but an complex ones. Support vector machine, abbreviated as SVM, can be used for both regression and classification tasks, but generally they work best in classification problem. The goal of SVM algorithm is to create the best line or decision boundary that can segregate n-dimensional space into classes so that we can easily put the new data in a correct category in the future. The best decision boundary is called hyperline. Here is the diagram about the support vector machine, which contains of negative hyperlines and positive hyperlines, and two support vectors of positive and negative clusters. Simple example. SVM can be understood with the example that we have used in KNN classifier. Suppose we see a strange cat that also has some features of dog. So if we want to model that can accurately identify whether it is a cat or dog, so much a model can be created by using a SVM algorithm. We first train our model with lots of images of cats and dogs so that it can learn about different features of cats and dogs, and then we test in with this strange catcher. So a support vector machine creates a decision boundary between these two data, cat and dog, and choose extreme cases. It will see the extreme cases of cat and dog. On this basis of support vector, it will classify it as a support vector. It will classify as a cat. Support vector algorithm can be used for face decision, image classification, and text categorization. Here is the example of support vector machine. The cat images is trained, and a dog also has the characteristics of a cat, and we get results of a cat image. This is the example of support vector machine algorithm. Types of SVM. Support vector machine has two types: linear support vector machine and non-linear support vector machine. The linear support vector machine is used for linearly separable data, which means if a dataset can be classified into two classes by a single straight line, then such data is termed as linear separable data, and classifier is used as linear SVM classifier. Non-linear SVM is used for non-linearly separated data, which means if a dataset cannot be classified by using a straight line, then such data is termed as a non-linear data. Implementation of Python implementation of support vector machine. In the implementation of Python code, the first step is data pre-processing step, and the second step is fitting the SVM classifier into training set, and the third step is predicting the test set result, and the fourth one is visualizing the training set results, and the fifth one is visualizing the test result set. Advantage of SVM. SVM works relatively well when there is a clear margin of separation between classes. SVM is more effectively dimensional spaces. SVM is effectively in cases where the number of dimension is greater than the number of samples. The SVM is relatively more efficient, and this can be used for more image classification and text recognition and face recognition and more creatures recognition. It will be more helpful for the recognition of this. And the disadvantages of SVM. SVM algorithm is not suitable for large dataset because it cannot handle more data. SVM does not perform very well when the dataset has more noises, that is, the target classes are overlapping. in cases where the number of features for each data point exceeds the number of training data samples, SVM will underperform. The disadvantage of SVM is that is it cannot perform on large data. It can perform only the simple data, and the data should be small. Application of support vector machine: handwriting recognition, instruction recognition, face detection, email classification, gene classification. These are all the application of SVM. Thank you.